ready?
Mm-hmm. Get the ball.
Ready?
He'll bounce it right back to you. Oh!
Honey, you gotta be careful with the lead. You gotta do it like we need to go outside.
So do it back there. Just back up a little more. Toss it a little bit lower. He'll put it right back to you.
Okay. Sit.
There you go.
Yay, Louie!
Oh, poor Betty wants to do it.
She can't.
You try.
Rabbits.
Oh man, it's like the poor little retard neighbor.
That was perfect.
Come here.
Oh, the dog. So he's gonna go all the way around?
Yeah, he's got it all the way around.
Get the ball. He dribbles it all the way around.
Hey, Louie!
Oh my goodness. Okay, he's done.